Okay, zeros of a polynomial function. Yes, that's a big zero. And that's kind of what we're going to talk about. A polynomial function is a real number. Okay? Can't have imaginary numbers and just do this. So if that's true, then we're going to have the following things are true. That if x equals a, it's called a zero of the function. And what that means is it's going to be where it crosses the x-axis at x equals a. And we can write it, the zero of the function, as either x equals a, which might be an x equals 2, x equals negative 3, x can equal anything. We know that when we plug that value into the equation, we get 0 for an answer for the y value. In other words, it's kind of a solution. It's just what I just said. F of x or y is 0. If x equals a, it is a solution of that polynomial equation. That's just what I was just stating. It also can be written this way. This way it's called a factor. And remember inside liars, if you have x minus a, say a is 2. If x minus 2 is a factor, that means x equals 2. So I could write it this way as x equals 2 or x minus 2. And they use the word a there just kind of to show. But remember, factors are inside liars for the actual zero solution. Okay? Or we could write it this way. The zero solution is an intercept on the x-axis. And so if I have x equals 2, it's the same as the point 2, 0. X minus 2 is a factor is the same as the point 2, 0. What I'm getting at is this. I can write the equation or answer in any one of these 4 different ways, and it is correct. Now you need to be careful which way they're asking for it, because they might want a solution, they might want a factor, they might want the intercept. The intercept has to be written as a point. The solution can be written, basically these two are the same. It just means, this is another way of showing that that was the solution that gave me answer of 0. All right, this might be a way of plugging it in, and this is where we're actually solving it maybe. And we may have to factor some things to get it to work. Those are all the exact same thing. That's all it means.